Learn English with your Instill.
Hello, Leo. Is that you?
Hi, David. Yes, it's me. How are you? I'm okay. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where are you going?
I'm going to the pharmacy.
Me too. I need some medicine.
I need medicine for my father.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is your father sick?
Yes, he is not feeling well.
What is the problem?
He has high blood pressure.
That is not good.
Yes, he feels tired every day.
Does he see a doctor?
Yes, he sees the doctor every month.
That is good. Is he at home now?
Yes, he is resting at home.
You take good care of him.
Thank you. I try my best.
Do you work now?
Yes, I have a job.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Do you like your job?
It is okay, but sometimes hard.
I understand. Work can be hard. What is your job, David?
I work in sales.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
That's nice. Do you work many hours?
Yes, I work all day.
And you help your father, too.
Yes, every day.
You are a good son.
Thank you, David.
I hope your father feels better soon.
Thank you very much.
How is your family?
They're fine.
That's good to hear.
How is your family?
They are doing well.
I'm happy to hear that.
Let's meet again sometime.
Yes, I'd like that.
Take care, Leo.
You too, David. Goodbye.
Excuse me, Ruchika? Oh, hi, Lisa. Wow, what a surprise. Yes, nice to see you here. What are you doing in the supermarket?
I am buying food for my home.
Me too. I need some vegetables.
This supermarket has good, fresh food.
Yes, I like this place.
Why did you come to the mall today?
I came after work to shop.
That makes sense.
Your English is very good, Ruchika.
Thank you, Lisa.
You speak English very fluently.
I practice every day.
I am shocked.
Why are you shocked?
You speak English so naturally.
I feel happy to hear that.
When did you learn English so well?
I started learning 2 years ago.
2 years only? That's amazing.
Thank you. I watch English videos.
Do you speak English at home?
Yes, sometimes with my sister.
No wonder your English is perfect.
It is not perfect, but I try.
You sound very confident.
Practice gives confidence.
I want to speak like you.
You can do it too. Can you help me practice?
Yes, of course. That's very kind of you. Friends help each other. What else do you need to buy?
Some milk and bread.
I need fruits and rice.
Let's shop together. That sounds fun. After shopping, we can have coffee.
Great idea.
There's a cafe in the mall.
Yes, I know that place. Let's go there after this.
Sure, I'd love to.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. What a nice surprise.
Let's keep speaking English together. Ruchika, how did you learn English so well? I learned English from YouTube. Really? Yes, it is very good for beginners. What do they teach on that channel? They teach speaking, listening, and daily English. Do they speak slowly? Yes, very slowly and clearly. That is great for me. Yes, it is perfect for A2 learners. How do you practice with the videos? I use a shadowing method. What is shadowing? I listen and repeat at the same time. You speak with the video? Yes, I copy their voice and speed. That sounds helpful. It helps pronunciation and confidence. Do you practice every day? Yes, for 20 minutes every day. Only 20 minutes?
Yes, but every day is important.
Do they have real conversations?
Yes, many daily life conversations.
Like shopping and office talk?
Yes, exactly like real life.
That's why you sound natural.
Yes, I learned natural English there.
Do they teach grammar?
Yes, simple grammar with examples.
I feel excited now.
Start today and don't stop.
I will search Best English online today.
Good idea. Use headphones for shadowing. Thank you for the advice. You're welcome, Lisa.
I want to speak English like you.
You will, very soon.
We are at the counter now.
Yes, it is our turn.
You have many items.
Yes, I bought food for the week.
I only bought a few things.
That's okay.
Hello. Hello. Please put your items on the counter.
Sure, here you are.
Did you find everything you need? Yes, I did. Do you have a membership card?
Yes, I have one. Please show it to me. Here it is.
Thank you. You're welcome. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Paper bag or plastic bag?
Paper bag, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Your total is $40. Okay?
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card. Please insert your card.
Sure. Please enter your PIN.
Done?
Please wait a moment.
Okay. The payment is successful.
Great.
Do you want the receipt? Yes, please. Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. Would you like help with the bags? No, I'm fine. Okay. The service is very good. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please come again. I will. Take care. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Next customer, please.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.